Hi guys, quick update lang tayo dito sa mga pina-farm natin na Deepen. Itong si Grass, kay Bliss, kay Gradient, and itong kay Dawn guys, no? So pag-usapan natin yan dito sa video natin today. Other details dito and itong kay Gradient which is nasa season 0 pa lang guys, no? So ngayon ay si Grass nasa Epoch 6 and titingnan natin kung hanggang kailan ito mag-e-end yung stage 2, no? So, bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi ka pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin. Turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel, guys. So, ito nga, si Grass ay nasa Epoch 6 na. As we observe dito, ay nag-decrease yung kanyang daily rewards, no? So, ngayon ay isa sa mga inoobserbahan natin if we pattern this on the previous stage which is the airdrop 1 hanggang total of 9, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 from close alpha hanggang bonus epoch. So they mentioned dito allocations for each epoch are divided into 9 tiers. So meron ditong tiers, no? Like tier 1 mas marami yung rewards hanggang tier 9. As we observe, nagkakaroon ng decrease as the epoch increases, guys, no? So as we observe epoch 6, medyo maliit na lang yung bigayan dito sa daily basis dahil merong tier na sinusundan dito. So they mentioned dito na every eligible user will be rewarded for their grass point. However, yung method nga at timing ay naka base ito. It depends ito sa jurisdiction. It depends kung saan located yung pinaka-location ninyo dito, guys, no? Kasi different countries may different jurisdiction, may different rules, no? So, isa ito sa mga pina-farm natin si Grass. Habang online ka, tapos hindi naman nagagamit lahat ng internet mo, it will be incentivized, no? Nagiging points into Grass and nagkakaroon ito ng conversion into Grass points or Grass crypto. As we also observe doon sa kanilang X, meron ditong update. May mga listing updates as well dito. Ayan, inaabangan natin. Ayan, so few days ago, nagkaroon ng listing and ito, meron pa silang potential listing. As we also observe sa price action niya, nasa 1.7, previously 1.94, and we also observe nung kanyang paggalaw ng presyo, consolidation within that range, no? So as of now, nasa 1.70 as of recording this video in USDT yung price action nitong si Grass, no? And kung sakali man na gusto nyo pa mag-explore dito, ayan, so pwede nyong silipin ito. Lalay ko na lang yung official link ng ginagamit nating app sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo at para na rin makayo sa mga phishing links online dito, guys, no? And kung sakali man na gusto nyo pa dito mag-farm ng other Deepen, like for example itong kay Gradient na kung saan season 0 pa lang yung stage nito, you can just check this one. Also itong kay Bliss, no? So bago pa lang itong mga to and you can just create an account and get extension node. Ayan, so meron naman dito pinaka steps like run a node, invite a friend, tapos join sa kanilang community and wait natin kung kailan yung magiging announcements nito, as well as itong kay Dawn. Yan. So, ito yung mga ginagamit natin dito na Deepen or pina-farm natin na Deepen. Habang online tayo dito ay in-incentivize yung unused bandwidth natin. Lalay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo. You can explore. And yung kay Grass, no, abangan natin yung stage 2 announcement dito. I'll keep you posted na lang if ever man na merong update sila dito na gagawin. So, yun lang for today, guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.